How to save a video on YouTube Kids. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily save any video that you can watch offline on YouTube Kids. First thing you have to do is go ahead and choose a profile where you want to save your video. So I'm just going to select the middle one. And once you open up your video, you can just scroll down and find any video that you want to download. So let's say if I want to download this right here, I'm going to just tap on the three lines and I have an option to download video. Tap on it. Now the video will be downloaded to watch offline. So it will remain on your device as long as you have internet for 29 days. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys another one. So let me just tap on this video, tap on the three lines, and then tap on download. So the downloaded videos will be on your profile section. Tap on profile at the bottom right. And then from here you could choose your settings. So tap on settings. You could choose the answer for this, and then you should be able to go ahead and enter the settings menu. So the question will be depending on the age that you've entered for the profile. I'm just going to enter it and then tap on submit. Now from here you can select the account. And once you have done your settings, you can go to your stuff, and here you'll be able to see your downloads. So from here you can watch all of the videos that you've downloaded offline for 30 days. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.